What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how to delete all messages in Discord on desktop using the ME6 bot in a simple and clear way without getting lost in technical details. If you're a server owner or moderator, ME6 is one of the easiest tools you can use to manage messages and keep your server clean. It allows you to bulk delete messages directly from your server using simple commands. Just keep in mind that this method only works if you have the right permissions on the server. To get started, you first need to add ME6 to your Discord server. You do this by visiting the official ME6 website and logging in with your Discord account. During the setup process, Discord will ask you to authorize the bot. Make sure you allow the necessary permissions so ME6 can manage messages properly. Once authorized, you'll select the server you want to use ME6 on and complete the setup. After ME6 is added and active in your server, you can start deleting messages directly from Discord. Open the Discord desktop app, go to the server where ME6 is installed, and head to the channel you want to clean up. From there, you can use ME6's clear command in the chat to remove messages in bulk. You can choose how many recent messages you want deleted, or even target messages from a specific user if needed. ME6 will then automatically remove those messages for you in seconds, making it much faster than deleting messages manually one by one. This is especially useful for moderating busy servers, cleaning spam, or resetting a channel. Just remember that bots like ME6 can't delete messages older than Discord's limits in some cases, and they only work in servers, not private DMs. And that's it. That's how you delete all messages in Discord on desktop using ME6. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.